Your Honda CR-V will shine inside and out with our lavishly designed custom-fit floor mats and cargo liners. They're made of luxe faux leather, precision cut, and tailored to your vehicle specifications for a perfect fit, providing the ultimate in protection for your entire floor space. These classy liners with diamond-shaped stitching are lightweight, waterproof, and easy to clean. They are engineered with thick foam padding, providing added comfort to you and your passengers. Plus, our signature anti-skid texture backing will keep them securely in place. Add to your purchase custom diamond stitch seat covers, together with your custom mats and cargo liners, all available in your choice of vibrant shades for a dynamic combination.